How to make your iPhone never turn off. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make your iPhone never turn off. So without any further ado here, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to take is open up your settings. After you have opened up your settings, you can scroll down, head over to your battery and make sure that your low power mode is not turned on. After you've done that, you can just head back, and after you head back to your settings again, what you'll need to do is you'll need to scroll down till you find your display and brightness. Tap on it, and after you tap on display and brightness, you can scroll down and there you will see the auto lock option. Tap on the auto lock option, and after you've tapped on the auto lock option, select the never option. Now as it says right here, your iPhone may use more energy with this setting, but just leave it as it is and your iPhone will not turn off unless you click on your power button. So that is how you can make your iPhone never turn off, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.